Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if function in Google Sheet. So as you know, if function is used for conditions. Okay, so if you want to apply any condition, so the if function is used. So here is the condition that if I will calculate average in this cell, in this column, and then if average of the student is more than or equals to 45, then student is pass, and if average of student is below 45, then student is fail. So first we will calculate average. Okay, average, then bracket open, then we will select the cell. Okay, bracket close. So this is the average. Okay, now we will copy this formula, drag to the bottom, then on the basis of this we will define the result. So for the condition we have to use equals to, then if. Okay, now it is asking for logical expression. So what is our logic? Our logic is if average this cell is more than or equals to 45, then student you have to type equal inverted comma pass inverted comma. If this condition does not apply, then inverted comma open fail inverted comma close bracket close. Okay, then we will just drag this to formula to whole cell. Okay, then you will see this student is 43.8 average of their marks, so this student is failed. So like this you can use if function in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.